Before London dives into tasting the 4 flavors of Thai Lay's potato chips, let me give you a quick rundown. We have grilled shrimp vibe with spiced seafood dipping sauce, hot and spicy, barbecue Plaza Sauce, it's Thai barbecue sauce, and extra barbecue like shish kebab off a charcoal grill. Just a note, each of these is a unique Thai flavor that most locals would instantly recognize. Now let's put these flavors to the test with London, my honorary Farang for the day, or should I say Farang?
Just taste it.
Smells good.
Yeah, I'll have it. I want to see reaction. You're gonna compare all this, okay? You got 4. But good.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Next. Okay. Tell me which is the best, okay?
That one was pretty good.
It should be okay.
That was pretty good too. That was pretty good.
Oh, this one.
It's just so hard to open.
Really?
Uh-oh.
It's shrimp.
Not for me.
Okay, last one.
Spicy. Sorry, it's impossible to open. Pretty good.
Okay, now, which would be the best? Your choice.
I think the orange bag is my favorite.
Okay. For me, this.
Alright, let's take a closer look at what we have been munching on. This is the barbecue Plaza sauce or Lot Nam Jim barbecue Plaza. It's funky, tangy, just a bit garlicky. Tastes like dipping your meat straight into a Thai barbecue hot pot sauce. And this, the extra barbecue or Penyaklin extra barbecue. It's London's favorite. These hit you with a smoky grilled meat flavor. Like I said, almost like shish kebab off a charcoal grill. Deep, savory, a little sweet, solid. And that's why London likes it. And this one, shrimp and seafood sauce or แผ่นหยักรสกุ้งเผาบวกรสน้ำจิ้ม seafood. My favorite, grilled shrimp vibes with that classic spicy seafood dipping sauce. Like so many classic Thai seafood dishes, you'll recognize that citrusy chili lime kick right away. It's so bold, so zesty. London didn't just taste it, she yaki did it right into a face dance. Full reaction mode unlocked. And lastly, hot and spicy or lot hot and spicy. Whoa, this one brings the heat. Think Thai chili flakes, a little lime tang, and full flavor intensity, not for the spice chai. You know that bold red pepper heat that creeps in slow, then suddenly tap dances on your tongue? Yep, that's it. Thai chili energy, no filter. Anyway, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. Do come back for the next video.